I have all the Action products except the Action 2, but the DJI mic is upstairs somewhere. We have here is the DJI Mic 2 receiver transmitter. I want to set the receiver up. I want to go to receiver setting. I want to go to receiver gain. And I want to take this and bring it all the way to, come on, focus there, baby, negative 12 dB. I want to be able to now go into the transmitter, go into the settings, transmitter gain, and set that up, negative 12 dB. I just love all these swipings. If you look at the transmitter, negative 12, receiver, negative 12, I'm at 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, test 1, 2. I could just about blow it out. I can do a recording sample, then I have to sync it up, time code. I'm going to plug this in, wait for it to connect. I got my green bar, green bar. I want to go into my cog, which is not going to work, wireless microphone, all grayed out. That is only good for the transmitter standalone side. It is not good for the receiver side this way at all. In order to get into the receiver side, you hit the two dashes. You could click on the white or the gray. Anywhere, it doesn't matter. It switches between. I learned that the hard way. You have a stereo sound, a gain of negative 6 dB. Wait a second. Why would I have the gain in the camera? What is it controlling? The camera's gain only? Is it controlling the transmitter gain? Is it controlling the receiver gain? We have a receiver gain control, negative 12 dB. We have the transmitter control, negative dB. And now we have a camera control, negative 20 dB. Back out and see what we got here. Silent, it's about a finger's width, this way, the width. Talking, it's about here. Giving a nice loud yell, it's right about here. Let's do that test sample for you. Can I hit the pair button and remote control if I'm using the receiver? That shocked me. I can. Bluetooth. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, 4, talking my nice, natural, loud voice to the camera like so. And this is a test talking a nice, normal voice, not yelling, to the camera. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on artificial noise reduction, talking in a nice, natural voice. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. And artificial noise, talking in a nice loud voice, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if the mic was over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have our sample. Negative 12 on the receiver. That should be updated to negative 20 now. Negative 20 on the transmitter. That doesn't have negative 20. But on the camera side of things, we got negative 20 dB. 1 dB more than the cameras. All right, so here I am. Transferred my files over. And I'm going to play the first one we did. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got to remember those settings. I did pretty good. 12 dB, where I'm supposed to be. And let's see the test we just did now. perfect, man. You can't even hear me? And I'm at negative 30 dB. Look at that bad boy go. I'm only making this video because I heard that somebody had some issues out there. No matter what they did, they were clipping. And I did know camera magic, and I could hardly hear myself with everything set down low. So, yeah, cut right to the chase. I don't know what's happening. We'll do our best to figure it out.